Arconic intentionally provided combustible boards for use in tower messages. Reuters by Tom Bergen. London. 6 messages sent by and to an Arconic Incorporated deals supervisor bring up issues regarding why the organization provided ignitable cladding to a merchant for use at Grenfell Tower, in spite of openly cautioning such boards were a fire hazard for tall structures. The messages, dating from 2014 and seen by Reuters, were between Deborah French, Arconic's UK deals chief, and officials at the temporary workers required in the offering procedure for the renovation contract at Grenfell Tower in London, where 79 individuals kicked the bucket in a blast a week ago. At the point when gotten some information about the messages, Arconic said in an announcement that it had known the boards would be utilized at Grenfell Tower, yet that it was not its part to choose what was or was not agreeable with neighborhood building directions. The organization produces 3 primary sorts of Reynobond board, one with a polyethylene PE center, one with a fire retardant center and another with a non-burnable center, as indicated by its site graphs. In a 2016 Arconic handout for its Reynobond boards portray how PE center boards are reasonable up to 10 meters in stature. Boards with a heat-proof center, the FR demonstrate, can be utilized around 30 meters, while over that tallness, boards with a non-burnable center, the A2 display, ought to be utilized. The handout says Grenfell Tower is more than 60 meters tall. The handout likewise issued a limit cautioning that cladding can be a fire chance. While imagining a building, it is critical to pick the adjusted items keeping in mind the end goal to maintain a strategic distance from the fire to spread to the entire building. Particularly with regards to exteriors and rooftops, the fire can spread to a great degree quickly, the pamphlet said. When the building is higher than the firefighter slitters, it must be considered with an incombustible material. In any case, amongst May and July 2014, French, who is based at Arconic's manufacturing plant in Marxheim, France, reacted to demands from the organizations required in revamping Grenfell Tower on the accessibility of tests of 5 unique sorts of Reynobond aluminum secured boards, all of which were just accessible in the burnable PE and FR forms, as per Arconic pamphlets. At last, Arconic said on Friday, the organization gave PE boards while we distribute general utilization Gedelan.